शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. Good evening, everyone. Today we will going to learn daily slokas revision. Okay, so I will call the name. You recite the slokas line. Okay, one by one. Yes, first sloka for Pranav.
Yes, करागे वसते लक्ष्मी करमध्ये सरस्वती करमूल्ये तु गोविन्द प्रभाते करदर्शनम्.
Excellent. Yes, Janav. Janav.
गंगे च यमुने चैव गोदावरी सरस्वती नर्मदा सिंधु कावेरी जलेस्मिन् सन्निधिं कुरु.
Sannidhim kuru. Excellent.
Sannidhim kuru.
Excellent. Yes, Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you recite this sloka, Aditya?
Aditya Haradyeya.
Okay, don't know. You don't know. Aditya Hridayam.
Aditya Hridayam.
Punyam. Switch on your video. Sarvashatru. Vinashanam. Jayavaham. Jape Nityam. Akshayam. Paramam Shivam. Excellent. Arav, can you recite?
This shloka, ma'am.
This one. When seeing
Aditya punyam sarvashatru vinashanam jayavaham jabe nityam akshayam paramam shivam.
Excellent. Okay, before starting studying, so we have to say this sloka. This will goes to Vritti. Vritti? Vritti? Yes. Yes, can you recite Saraswati Namastubhyam?
No.
Why? You don't? Saraswati Namastubhyam, tell, recite. Saraswati Namastubhyam Varade Kamarupini Vidyarambam.
नीचे 2 नंबर. हाँ, एक उसके बाजू वाला. हाँ.
Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu me sada. Excellent. Agamya? Welcome. Agamya? Yes, recite this sloka.
सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. Thank you.
Excellent. Welcome. Yes. Jana, who will recite? This sloka who knew?
Madhurya ma'am, can I recite?
Who? Who is speaking?
Madhurya ma'am, can I recite?
Madhurya, yes, Madhurya.
ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवम् उपास्महे ज्ञानानन्दमयम्
Ekanimisham. Spatika kritim. Not kritam.
Okay.
Kritim.
Okay.
Recite once again.
ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवम् उपास्महे ज्ञानानन्दमयं
Ekanimisham. Only 3 times, not 3 times here. Okay, you can recite at home, but correct it yourself that Spatika kritim.
Okay, ma'am.
That part you tell again.
ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम्
Yes, next line.
आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवम् उपास्महे
Ekanimisham, listen to me. Vidyanam. Okay,
Okay,
recite that part only.
सर्वविद्यानां
Correct.
हयग्रीवम्
Hayagrivam. It is gree, not gree.
हयग्रीवम्.
Okay. Yes, excellent.
Okay.
Your name is not displayed here, so I can't call you. Okay. Whenever I call Pranav, you also recite. Okay. Yes. Next sloka. Before starting, important task. Yes, Shreya.
सर्वकारेषु सर्वदा.
Excellent. Nidardani. 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 Voice is not coming. Nidardani. Okay. Mitra. Mitra.
Ma'am.
Yes.
వక్రతుండ మహాకాయ సూర్యకోటి సమప్రభా నిర్విఘ్నం కురు మే దేవా సర్వకార్యేషు సర్వదా.
Sarvakaryeshu.
సర్వకార్యేషు సర్వదా.
Yes, Nidardani.
వక్రతుండ మహాకాయ సూర్యకోటి సమప్రభా నిర్విఘ్నం కురు మే దేవా సర్వకార్యేషు సర్వదా.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Before going to sleep, we have to say this sloka. Yes, Saisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Recite full sloka.
కరతరణ కృతం వా కాయజం కర్మజం వా శ్రవణ నయనజం వా మానసం వాపరాధం విహితం వా సర్వమేత క్షమస్వ. జయ జయ కరుణాబ్దే శ్రీ మహాదేవ శంభో.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
I will recite.
You will recite this one? Yes.
కరచరణ కృతం వా కాయజం కర్మజం వా శ్రవణ నయనజం వా మానసం వా పరాహరం విహితం వా సర్వమేతత్ సమస్వ. జయ జయ కరుణాబ్దే శ్రీ మహాదేవ శంభో.
Excellent recitation.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes, Dhaneshri V. Who is speaking? Who?
Ma'am.
Yes, Dhaneshri V. Recite this sloka.
करचरण कृतं वा कायजं कर्णजं वा श्रवणनयनजं वा मानसं वा अपराधं विहितमविहितं वा सर्वमेतत् क्षमस्व मे. जय जय करुणाब्दे श्री महादेव शंभो.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Okay, slokas not to get good, that is bad dreams. Okay. Yeah. Who wants to recite? Who knows this sloka?
Ma'am, can I try from
Yes, Mitra.
Ramam Ramam Skadam Hanumantam Vainateyam Vro
Vrikodaram. You don't know the sloka.
Vrikodaram.
Yeah, repeat after me. Okay,
Okay,
repeat
ma'am.
after me. You are new, no? Yes. Ramam
Yes,
Skandam
Ramam Skandam
Hanumantam
Hanumantam
Vainateyam.
Vainadeyam
Not Deyam, Teyam.
Vainateyam
Yes. Vrikodaram
Vrikodaram
Shayane
Shayane
Yasmare Nityam
Yasmare Nityam
Duswapnam
Dushvapnam
Tasya Nashyati
Tasyanasta
Ekanimsham. Tasya.
Tasya
Not ish.
Tasyanas
Tasya. Not ish. Tas.
Tasya
Nashyati.
Tasyadi
Nashyati.
Nashyati
Excellent.
Nashyadi
Nashyati.
Nashyati
Correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Welcome. Yes, we will take Nitara. Nitara. You know this sloka?
Ma'am, did you call her name?
You know this sloka?
No.
No. You can repeat after me? You repeat after me?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Ramam Skandam
Ramam Skandam
Hanumantam
Hanumantam
Vainateyam. Don't play. Concentrate here. Concentrate here. Vrikodaram. Vrikodaram. Shayane. Yasmarin. Nityam. Duswapnam. Tasya. Nashyati. Excellent. Harihara.
Ma'am?
Yes. Recite the Nitara. Mute yourself. Harihara.
Yes, ma'am.
Um,
Ramam Kandam Hanumantam
Vainateyam.
Vainateyam Vrakodaram Sayaneya Yahush
Yes.
Smare
Yes. Smarin.
Nityam
Duswapnam.
Duswapnam Tasyanastati.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. And now, yesterday we learned that Shanti Mantra. Who will recite Shanti Mantra? Pranav?
Ma'am, can you help me, ma'am?
You don't know? Om Sarve Bhavantu.
Om Sarve Bhavantu
Nitara, mute yourself. Sukhinaha.
Sukhinah.
Sarve santu niramayah.
Sarve Santu Niramaya.
Niramayah.
Niramayah.
Sarve bhadrani pashyantu.
Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu.
Ma kaschit
Ma Kashid
dukkha bhag bhavet.
Dukha Bhavavet.
Om shanti shanti shantihi.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Excellent. Yes, Arav.
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः.
Excellent. Niramayaha. Visarga should be recited here. Okay. Niramayaha. Yes. Excellent. Yes, we can call Jano.
Yes, ma'am.
And can you recite this sloka?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Which script you want? Sanskrit or English?
I can recite, ma'am.
Yeah. Recite.
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kachit Dukha Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi.
Excellent. Harshita.
Yes, ma'am.
You know this sloka?
Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah. Sarve Santu Niramayah. Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu. Ma Kaschid Durga Bhag Bhavet. Om Shanti Shanti Shantihi.
Excellent.
Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yeah. Welcome. Nitara, mute yourself. Harshita Bhatt.
Yes, ma'am.
Recite this sloka. Acha, just only you recited, no? Oh, yes, okay. Yes, we will go to next sloka, that is Gayatri Mantra. Okay. So how you know Gayatri Mantra daily? Okay, somewhat in our home, someone is reciting always, but we don't know how to recite properly. Okay. So that we will see here.
Ma'am, what about Hanuman Sloka?
Yeah, I will ask. Wait. Nitara.
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Om
Om
Bhur
Or
Bhuvas
Ovas
Swaha
Swaham
Tatsa.
Sam
Not Im. Tatsa.
Sa
Vitur
Vitor
Varenyam
Varenium
Bhargo
Bhargo
Devasya
Devasya
Dhimahi
Dhimahi
Dhiyo
Dio
Yonaf
Yona
Prachodayat.
Prachodaya.
Excellent. Yes, who wants to recite? Yes, Dhanyashrivi.
Shivin.
Nitara, mute
Yes,
yourself. Yes.
Ma'am, I know the sloka, ma'am.
Yeah, recite.
Om Bhurбhuvasvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat.
Yes, you have that yo naf if sound. Okay. Then dhimahi, that dha is dha dha. Okay.
Dhimahi. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Excellent.
Thank you.
Saisha.
Ma'am, I know the sloka, ma'am.
Yes, yes. I will call you. Saisha.
Yes, ma'am.
Recite full sloka.
Om Bhurбhuvasvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat.
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 Yes. Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Agamya.
Yes, ma'am.
Recite.
Om Bhurбhuvasvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat.
Dio yo naf if sound will come. Okay. No. Dio yo naha is not there. Okay. If sound naf. Listen here. Agamya,
ma'am.
listen to here. Listen here. Dio yo naf prachodayat. Repeat that line.
Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Janav.
Yes, ma'am. Om Bhurбhuvasvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Nah Prachodayat.
Excellent. Danshika. Danshika.
New student, ma'am.
What are you telling?
New students, ma'am.
Yes. You know this sloka?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay. Repeat after me. Okay. Om
Om
Bhur
Bhur
Bhuvas
Bhuvas
Swaha
Saha
Tatsa
Tatsa
Vitur
Vitur
Varenyam
Varenyam
Bhargo
Bhargo
Devasya
Devasyam
Dhimahi
Devahim
Dhiyo
Dhiyo
Yo Naf
Yona
Prachodayat.
Prachodaya.
Excellent. Shreya.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Om Bhuvas I need your help, ma'am.
Okay. Tatsavitur
Tatsavitur
Varenyam
Varenyam
Bhargo Devasya
Bhargo Devasya
Dhimahi
Dhimahi
Dhiyo Yo Naf
Dhiyo Yo Nah
Prachodayat.
Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo
Vaibhavi
Devas.
Shetty, mute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Mute yourself.
Okay.
Yes, who is reciting right now? Diyo Yona Prachodayat. Okay, yes, Vaibhavi Shetty, recite.
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm.
Om Bhurбhuvasvah Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devas.
Voice is not
Dahi.
coming. Yes. Okay. Now we can recite Hanuman Sloka. Okay. Today is Hanuman Jayanti in North India. So we will recite Hanuman Sloka. Yes, Vritti. Tell Hanuman Sloka.
Ma'am, she knows this Gayatri Mantra.
Yes, recite. Recite. Recite.
Yes.
Recite.
Om Bhur Bhuvasva Tatsavite Udvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat.
Excellent. Harshita,
Thank you, ma'am.
welcome.
Thank you, ma'am. Very good.
Yes, recite one Hanuman Sloka.
Wait, I'm thinking of it. I had one in my mind.
You
but I
are
forgot it.
thinking. Okay. Yesterday I gave homework. Jano,
Yeah, I got it now.
recite one
Mama,
Hanuman Sloka. You don't know?
I
Yes.
got it.
Yes, recite fast.
Buddhi balam Dhairyam Nirbhayatvam Arogatah Ajadamya Patutvancha Hanumat Svarnat Bhavet.
Excellent. Pranav,
Ma'am, you want me to say or Pranav?
Pranav. Acha, okay, you tell me first. Yes. Any Hanuman Sloka that you.
Anjananandanam Veeram Janaki Shokalashanam Kapishamangshahantaram Vande Lanka Bhayankaram.
Excellent. Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
recite.
Manojavam Marutya Tulya Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Varishtam Vatatmajam Vanarayutamukyam Sri Ramadutam Sharanam Prapadye.
Excellent. Dhanyashri,
Anjanenandanam Veeram Janaki Shokanasanam Kapishamaksha Antaram Kapishamaksha
Agamya, mute yourself.
Reactions. Manojavam Marutatuల్య Vegam Jitendriyam Buddhimatam Garishtam Vadatmajam Vanarayutamukyam Sriramadutam Sharanam Prabhadye.
Excellent. Arav,
such.
voice is. Excellent. Saisha,
Yes, ma'am.
recite any Hanuman Sloka.
Yatra yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam Tatra Tatra Kritamastakandhalam Bhaspavari Paripurna Lochanam Marutinna
Mataraksha.
Mataraksha Santakam.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Vaibhavi Shetty. Vaibhavi Shetty.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Recite one Hanuman Sloka.
Yes, ma'am. Yatra yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam Tatra Tatra Kritamastakandhalim Bhaspavari Paripurna Lochanam Marutinna Namat Rakshasantakam.
Mataraksha Santakam. Yes. Vritti. Vritti. Vritti.
Yes,
Yes. Tell me. Sri Rama Rama Rameti.
Shri Ram
Sahasranama.
Saraswati.
Ramanama Varanane. Excellent. Welcome, Nithara. Nithara. Okay, not responding fastly. Pranav.
Ma'am, just a minute. Ma'am. Nithara is coming. She'll go into the washroom.
Pranav.
Just a second.
Yeah. Mute yourself. I will call next.
Ma'am, reset, ma'am. Reset.
Pranav.
Have I said?
Yes. Yes, you said recited, no? Yes. Mitra.
Yes, ma'am.
Mitra. Nitra. Yeah, you recite any Hanuman sloka, you know?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know. Okay. Sri Ram Rameti, you know?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Hare Rama, Hare Krishna?
No.
No. Okay. Attend class regularly, okay? Nidardani?
Okay.
Nidardani?
Hare Rama. Okay. Buddhirbalam yashodaya divyayatvam harogataha ajatyam shokana satyam vakpadutvam cha anumat stananat bhavet.
Okay. Excellent. Recite Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. Hare Rama, Hare Krishna. Recite.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
Excellent.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Yes.
Ma'am.
Agamya. Ma'am. Who is
Yes, ma'am.
asking?
Ma'am,
Yes.
Mitra, ma'am.
Mitra. Yes, Mitra.
Can I recite
Yes.
Hare Rama?
Yes. Recite.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Thank you, ma'am.
Excellent. Okay. I will. Nitara, mute yourself.
Yeah.
Yes, I will end the session with Shanti Mantram. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya